How do DUI statutes in Arizona actually work? Attorney Robert Gruler explains that. There is an interesting dynamic on how the statutes work. For example, if you get a second DUI with a BAC level of 0.20, it becomes a super extreme DUI, and the penalty for that is 180 days of jail. If you get a third DUI, the penalty for that is technically 4 months in prison, which is a shorter period of time than the second DUI, but you are in prison and not in jail, which is certainly more severe. But when you take that case or that situation to a judge and you say, look, my client could be pleading to a lesser time by pleading to an aggravated DUI. It just doesn't make a lot of sense the way that they work it. The penalty is not aggravated more than a misdemeanor would be. It's still a shorter period of time. You can generally use that to go to the judge and say, look, we can reduce it from prison to jail so that the person does 4 months in jail, which would certainly be better for the client because then they can get work release and not lose their job. There is a lot of negotiation that goes back and forth between the defense and prosecutor's office, and a lot of it has to do with two different components. Legally speaking, we have to do a thorough review of the case, make sure that the statutes have been met and the police have not screwed anything up in terms of processing a blood sample, conducting a breath test, or whether there was probable cause for a traffic stop. We are also really focused on the mitigation side. We want to tell the human story and talk about our clients in context. Most of our clients are very good people. They just got caught up in a mistake. It's our job to convey to the other side all the positive things that our clients have done over their lives, whether they've got families or careers, whether they've done well in school, served our country, done volunteer work, or are involved in a church. We show that our client is more than just a case number, and then we can use that to mitigate some of the severe penalties that Arizona has. Contact the R&R Law Group in Scottsdale, Arizona at 480-400-1355 or visit their website at www.rrlawaz.com.